Here is an exam question on geometric sequences involving surds. We're asked to find the value of the common ratio. So the final answer is actually 3 plus root 2. Hopefully I can show you under 4 minutes how to get there. So the second term of a geometric sequence is 3 plus 2 root 2. The third term of the sequence is 13 plus 9 root 2. Find the value of the common ratio of the sequence. And our final answer should be in this form. Right, first to understand what a geometric sequence is, an example of that would be 2, 6, 18, 54, where the common ratio is 3. So the number there's a constant number that we multiply each term by. We call that common ratio. And this is just a particular example. So in this question, we're asked to find that common ratio. So the first term is not given. We don't need it, to be fair, to find the answer. So the second term is 3 plus 2 root 2. 13 plus 9 root 2 is the third term. Right. As I mentioned, that's r being multiplied every time. So hopefully you can notice that to find r, we need to divide the third term by the second term. Now, we have found the common ratio, but it's not in the form that they want. And you can notice there is a surd in the denominator, so it's not simplified. We need to rationalize it by multiplying the top and bottom of the fraction by opposite sign to here. So let's highlight that. Now, this is like a double bracket expansion. So 13 times 3 . Bring that down. There we go. Right, 13 times 3 is 39. And then 13 times 2 root 2 times negative 2 root 2, that's negative 26 root 2. 9 root 2 times 3 is positive 27 root 2. And 9 root 2 times negative 2 root 2. Let's write that out here. So 9 root 2 times negative 2 root 2. 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. Root 2 times root 2. That's just 2. So this is negative 36. And the denominator will be 3 times 3. 3 times negative 2 root 2. Negative 6 root 2. Root 2 root 2 times 3, positive 6 root 2. And then that's just negative. So 2 root 2 times negative 2 root 2. That's negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8. So let's tidy that up. 39 take away 36, that's going to be 3. Negative 26 root 2 plus 27 root 2, that's just root 2. And the denominator, we can see that these two terms cancel. 9 take away 8, it's just 1. So the final answer is 3 plus root 2.